shape is it? 3. Advanced shapes.
It's a triangle.
What?
Shape is it?
It's an equilateral triangle.
What? Equilateral triangle. Okay, what's next?
It's a triangle.
Hmm?
It's an isosceles
Isosceles triangle. Okay. What's
It's
next?
a triangle.
Hmm?
What shape is it?
It's a scalene triangle.
Scalene triangle. Okay. What's next?
Good triangle.
What shape is it?
No?
It's an acute
Acute triangle. Good job. What's that?
Let's triangle. Let's triangle.
It's a right triangle.
Right triangle. Good job.
Ow. Let's triangle.
Oh, what's next? What's that?
Ow.
What shape is it?
Let's triangle.
Obtuse triangle.
Ooh, let's triangle.
Obtuse triangle. Okay.
Ow.
Well, what's next?
The piecing. The piecing. Piecing.
It's a trapezium.
Okay. That's easy yun. Good job. What's next?
What shape is it?
It's a trapezoid.
Sorry.
Trapezoid.
How?
What's next?
What shape is it?
It's an isosceles trapezoid.
Sorry. Sorry.
Isosceles triangle. Hirap na yan, anak. Huwag na yan.